finding that it helps to globalize us. With the help of the internet, we are capable to take the information to all around the world. So we can say that in this point, both things are just same. And we are finding that at present time, a person not considered knowledgeable if they don't have the knowledge post, whatever you would like to achieve in your future, you find that both things play a very important role. So, first of all, I want to tell you that if you would like to speak something, this is my personal advice to you. Whenever you speak, only try to act. You people are thinking when you are speaking about the matter. Just enjoy the English. Because I haven't found a single candidate who has a positive facial expression. Whatever you are speaking, you know what's the basic problem which has just comes up among us. That is the problem that whenever we are speaking about the things, our face says something different, our mouth expression is different, and our words are different. That is the biggest problem which has just comes up in us, and that's what we are finding that whatever the thing we are trying to speak, that are not taken very seriously by the you can say metropolitan cities people or by the multinational company wherever we are going to make our showcase. So I want to tell you that first of all, whatever the thing you are going to speak, you just try to speak the things. I want to give you the basic thing. What is the thing? You will become better than me. I will become better than you. But I am on the continuity. Second thing is that just create an expressions. That's what you are speaking in the regards of Hindi.
There would be first letter. It would be letter.
Nobody is speaking about the letter. Ma, pa, ka. This type of words. Okay. No problem for that. What to tell at the time they are just giving the effort because there is a need of their thinking and their views towards another person. When you speak, they are not going to think anything in our mind. We are simply this type of thing. What you are thinking during the time of speaking, that is one of the biggest problems. What it just comes up in you.
But without thinking, we can't speak anything.
How you can say that when you are speaking about the Hindi, you are thinking about that?
Yeah, of course.
You are irritated.
Of course, I'm very sorry.
If you think anything regarding you are speaking Hindi, your feeling is just comes up outside. You are not translating the thing. But in the case of English, when you are speaking it, then you judge yourself whether I am right or wrong. And when you are speaking about the thing, there is a problem which has become some practice. And the second thing is that you are thinking something. And that's not a good idea. Whatever the view you have in your mind, just like this over there. Whatever the essence comes up in your mind, you just have to speak about the thing and the person in front of them, they can simply get the first assessment regarding the that we are going to speak about the matter. That is the point you are getting.
I'm also not perfect.
Don't say this. Perfection, just try to do the practice. Practice makes man perfect.
Of course.
So, why you say I'm not perfect?
I'm trying for that, sir.
How you make, yeah, that's some important things. Where you can just learn about the syllable, like how to variate the words. On the behalf of the vowels, we are going to make the variations in the words. That all things your teacher is just going to teach you here in the call center package. One package is introduced. Think about the thing, but my dear, whenever you are going to make your showcase in front of the company, whenever you are going to make your showcase in Delhi and you are finding that you don't have the proper consistency, the people are not open, forum, symposium, and dialogue. These are the four contributions which have just helped. And I want to tell you that what is the parameter of the company. How you will judge over there. The parameter of the company is just leadership skill, initiative skill, interpersonal skill, problem solving skill, communication skill, interpreting skill. These are the basic skills company needed in yourself. But you actually, I want to tell you that when you know what you are speaking, at that time you never commit mistakes. This depends on the maturity. But when you initially clear, there is a lot of persons who are very senior in your town also. If you are saying that sir, you have to speak English very fluently, then what type of thing they will just going to tell you that? I am speaking very well English slowly. But my dear, this is very fast stage. If you would like to make yourself very good for that, you need to be a very frank. Whatever the you are going to speak in front of someone, you should just have to speak. Because the company never giving you time too much. Whatever the matter you have to speak, you can speak it at once. If you are making the preparation of it, when you are speaking about the matter, you are seeing either and neither. When you are thinking about the thing, you are getting educated. You are the commanding person. When you come here, you are the leader because they are your audience. And when you are just addressing your audience and you are seeing there and there, then what about? It is one of the important tasks. What you have to just keep in your mind when you are going to speak about matter in front of someone. There is a 7 PS program. Purpose, place, people, performance, personality, and so 3-4 more things you have to just set up in your mind. Anything in your mind when you are going to speak about a thing, then just mouth will open and feelings come outside. There is no way of thinking. Your feelings directly come outside. There is no way of transformation. What you feel, just act it. There is no way of any other things. That I'm not saying that your performance are bad. You are speaking very well. Especially to one or two students are speaking very well. But if you just reform yourself, just as I said to you, 2 or 3 things. Concentrate your speech patterns. Don't concentrate that actually in initial time we need to be a very frank in ourselves. There are 2 types of minds which have been just formed in ourselves. I am telling you that don't think. Just there is 2 types of minds are present to yourself. One is conscious and second one is unconscious. Whatever you are doing, that is called. You speak about the topic and suddenly, if you think about the word, then you are just thinking it and the thing is not comes up in your mind. Word is gone to your mind and you are unable to memorize that word in that time. I want to tell you this thing in Hindi also. हम सब लोग के साथ ऐसा होता है कि जब भी कभी हम इंग्लिश बोलने जाते हैं, मैंने भी बोला कि इंग्लिश को कभी सोच के नहीं बोलना चाहिए होती है। ये प्रैक्टिकली आप लोग करके देख लीजिएगा, मैं भी प्रूव भी कर देता हूँ तीनों चीज़ों को। जब आप यहाँ बोलने आते हो, यहाँ बैठे रहते हो, आपने सर ने प्रिपरेशन की है, आपने भी याद किया, सबने याद किया, लेकिन कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे आए कुछ नहीं बोल पाए। आगे ये सोचे कि क्या बोलें, चुपचाप चुप हो गए, हाँ करते हुए सोचते रहे। वैज्ञानिक सभा होता है कि सब हमको सुन रहे हैं और उस दौरान जब हम बोलते रहते हैं और सडनली हम किसी वर्ड को सोचने लगते हैं कि आगे हमें क्या बोलना है, और जहां आपने सोचा वहां आप तुरंत हेजिटेट हो जाओगे, क्योंकि अगर आपके दिमाग की रफ्तार 50% है कॉन्शियस माइंड की और आप उस स्टाइल पे ग्रामर सेकेंडरी थिंग होता है। मैं नहीं कहता ग्रामर की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ये सेकेंडरी होता है। सबसे पहले खुल के बोल तो सके। कुछ लोग कहते हैं वर्ड पावर बहुत जरूरी है, मैं कहता हूँ आपने याद कर लिया काऊ, काऊ का मतलब गाय। यहाँ पे व्हाइट बोर्ड के एब्सेंस के कारण मैं आपको हर एक चीज़ नहीं समझा सकता, लेकिन ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इनको मैं जरूर दूर करूँगा। दिस इज माई फुल कॉन्फिडेंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड ओवरऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट योर परफॉर्मेंस इज वेरी गुड। थैंक यू।
If you can change your life, you can change your perception, your mentality. Because this is the stand reason that if you follow this rules, because the main thing, our mainstream to organize such type of seminar to improve these things that it would be sufficient to all of you to come up for here and just actually pointed out the word by the Prabhakar Sir about the communication. Actually, the coordination between 2 persons, cooperation between 2 persons, that is called by communication. If you speak very well, if you give equal effort to speak very fast, and dynamic person, perspicacious man, confident to speak, but other person is not, other person can't understand your language, definitely you can bring the radical change in your life. You can paramount change in your aim and ambition for your life. In this series, we are a person which I am going to call you.
Behaving the same manner, and most importantly, you have, as I have only given you the notes, and you are learning from the same notes, you are reading on the same notes, and you have done a practice of previously on the Friday only. No, sorry, not Friday, on Thursday, I think, such improvement in your performance. Previously, today I was thinking that after today's performance, I will be organizing another seminar on 25th, but I don't think so that you are have nothing, you need lots and lots of things which need to be done. And we, as we all human, are conditioned reflexes, and you need to do something in your performance. First of all, you need to do some kind of practice. Practice in a sense, because practice makes a man perfect. It's a well-known fact, and you really need to talk about that. And when you are speaking, your expression is not one-on-one. One-on-one, I mean to say that you are speaking to the audience. You are here, you are the leader, because leader always leads with example. You are here to talk to the common audience, but you are looking here and there. What does that mean? Either you are not confident, either you are not fully prepared for that. You promised me that you really will be preparing for that. I am very, very disappointed after seeing your today's performance. Well, if I have to talk about today's topic, that English and computer are the working in a university, and he was unable to find out that even though he was checking the particular work, his office official work, but then also there was lots and lots of problems. So he find out such kind of a pattern that he should find such kind of machine which can really help them to find out find the errors. So he invented an analytical machine. As you have all noted down, I have given you the details, especially in the back. Am I right, Manoj? Yeah, Ankita. I have only given you, and because it is a necessity, there was a necessity to for the past English. I think computer will not be, and without English, you can really can't gain something in your life. Because achieve something in your life, either you want to be a part of the knowledge of a computer. I want to say, my friends and my students, that really computer does not give you food. It does not open any schools and colleges. Computer does not reduce any kind of literacy, and computer does not, you can say, run the wheels of an industry so that it can produce more and more goods. But computer, what computer gives you, that computer gives you a sort of efficiency, and it gives you efficiency, speed, and accuracy in your performance. And I think that I have read a very.
इसके आधार पे अपने आप को बदल सकते हैं, जैसा कि डायरेक्टर सर ने कहा, रतन सर ने कहा, जितने भी प्रीवियस स्पीकर थे, उन्होंने इस तरह से प्रकाश कर अपने विचारधारा को आपके साथ शेयर किया, जो उनके थॉट्स थे डेफिनेटली with the help of you can bring efficiency in your life. कैपेसिटी को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो, और निश्चित तौर पे ये बहुत ही सुटेबल, सरल और सहज ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर अपने आप को व्यक्त कर सकते हो। तो
चीज़ क्या आ जाती है कि हमको उसके साथ कम्युनिकेट करना है। अगर वो बाकी हमको उसको चलाना भी तो है, उसको चलाना है, उसके साथ कम्युनिकेट करना है। और कंप्यूटर आ गया है, उसको हमें चलाना है, कम्युनिकेट करना है। प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि कंप्यूटर को इजीली कम्युनिकेट अगर आपको करना है तो इंग्लिश, तो इसका सेकंड साइड होता है। बस जिसकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी अच्छी होगी या बहुत बेहतर होगी, वो अपने कंप्यूटर ज्ञान को, यानी कंप्यूटर नॉलेज को इजीली लोगों के बीच एक्सप्रेस कर। और जो कंप्यूटर जो चीज़ आई है, जो हमारे लिए पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ हो गया है, ये ग्लोबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस। ये कंप्यूटर जैसा आप लोग यहाँ यूज करते हैं, ऐसा अमेरिका में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होता। इसके अंदर एक मॉनिटर होता है, कीबोर्ड, माउस, तो बाकी कोई चीज़ें मैंने आपको बताई है पहले भी, क्लास में इसकी होते हैं, वो भी उसको यूज में ही कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। बस चीज़ है जहाँ तक है। इसके बाद मंगल सर आपके ग्राफिक वगैरह यूज करेंगे, इसमें किसी की जीत या हार नहीं होता है, मगर जो थोड़ा अच्छा किया उनको कुछ भी करना हमारा फर्ज है। बस इसलिए ग्राफिक वगैरह थोड़ा बहुत अब डाउन हो रहा है, नेक्स्ट टाइम में नहीं होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप देखेंगे वो कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, वो नहीं है। बस बीमारी सर ने कहा कि
तालियों के साथ पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर मिस्टर ऋषि पांडे।
सबसे पहले मैं प्यारे बच्चे जो यहाँ आए हैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। मैं यहाँ बैठा था, इस खेल को देख रहा था, जिन बच्चों को बोलने के लिए कहा गया था ये बच्चे बोलेंगे, सब बच्चे तैयार होंगे, तो मैं देखा 25 मिनट तो काफ़ी था, इसमें कोई नहीं रूपाली बन ये बेचारे सबसे मिलने मिलेगा, सबसे ज़्यादा मिलेगा, लेकिन बेस्ट प्राइज तो बोल नहीं पाए। तो करने का मतलब यह है किसी चीज़ को लर्न करना और फिर उसको कहीं पे छाप छोड़ देना या उसको सेम बता देना, ये क्वालिटी आगे थोड़ा समय लगता है। हमारे ये टीचर हर बात को बता सकते हैं, हम स्टूडेंट लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, हाँ ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है बेस्ट करने में, लेकिन इस कमियों को धीरे धीरे दूर किया जाता है। जैसे हमारे बहुत से स्टूडेंटों ने बहुत अच्छा
लेकिन जैसे हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट था कि इंग्लिश और कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन, जहाँ तक मुझे जानकारी है, अगर किसी सब्जेक्ट पर आपको बोलना, हम आपसे वादा करते हैं कुछ कमियाँ हमारे अंदर जिसकी वजह से आज ये सेमिनार उतना सफल नहीं हो पाया। मैं अपनी कमियों को खुद महसूस करता हूँ और आपसे वादा करता हूँ कि आगे जो भी सेमिनार हो उसमें ये कमियाँ नहीं। टीचर्स से भी कहा जाएगा जितना अच्छा आप बोल लेते हैं प्रयास करें तो उतना अच्छा करते हैं। क्यों? जब तक लड़के उतना अच्छा नहीं बोल पाएंगे टीचर्स को सुनने का इंतजाम। इसी के साथ मैं अपनी बातों को खत्म करता हूँ और आप लोग अपने आप बल को बनाए रखें, मंजिले को खुद हैं, आप लोग जरूर सकते।
उनको जॉब मिले, रोजगार मिले, अब वो अपने पैर पर स्टैंड हो सकें, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। और इस दिशा में जो इंस्टीट्यूट का जो प्रयास है वो बहुत सराहनीय है। और मैं आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्रेस माई ग्रेटिट्यूड हिट सर के द्वारा जो उन्होंने मतलब प्रयास किया जिस प्रकार से सेमिनार में उन्होंने एक महती भूमिका निभाई है। मैं अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड उनको एक्सप्रेस करता हूँ और बहुत खुशी की बात है चूँकि अब जिस प्रकार से सभी लोगों ने जितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स अपना जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस दिया, कुछ अपने वक्तव्य पे अपनी विचारधारा को पेश किया, लोगों तक बताया, निश्चित तौर पर वो शुभ घड़ी आ गई है, वैसा मोमेंट जिसका सबको इंतजार रहता है। और फिर देखिए कि इसमें से विनर कौन है, क्योंकि विनर जिन्होंने फर्स्ट प्राइज जीता है इस सेमिनार के फंक्शन में, जिन्होंने सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिया, आउटस्टैंडिंग, ट्रिमेंडस, I have no word to express for that person. So please, I am going to call you that person who is the winner who is the first winner on this occasion, Mr. Durgesh Mishra. Yes, please.
After getting the prize, you know, the person always think about why they are judging, why they are doing their work, because it is my first moment when I have got something. You know, before it I have given 1 and 2 seminars, 2 presentation, and on that moment I came back from the last moment, and it is the first one without doing any kind of preparation I have got it, because you know, I never take it seriously. I would have to do my best. Just I think, okay, I will have to come to this place and I will give my view whatever I have in my mind. Because if I will have to prepare myself, of course I would give my best. But I couldn't do it. Really sorry for that. But next time if I have got opportunity to do something, of course I will try the level best. Thank you very much.
Excellent performance. जो कि सेकेंड विनर है, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया। एक्चुअली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल वन थिंग्स कि बहुत अच्छा प्रयास उन्होंने किया है, लेकिन निश्चित तौर पे सभी के लिए एक संदेश है, एक अच्छा मौका है कि अगर आप अच्छा करोगे, अगर आप मेहनत करते हो, इफ यू डू हार्ड वर्क, डेफिनेटली देयर इज गुड चांस to make a winner in next time. So मैं कॉल करने जा रहा हूँ जिन्होंने सेकंड प्राइज जीती है, मिस्टर विनोद यादव। So please come.
I want to say that you, because खुदी को कर बुलंद, इतना खुदी पे आत्मविश्वास पैदा कर। आए बंदे मैं कहता हूँ सफलता तेरी कदम चूमेगी, तू अपना और इतिहास करा।
It is the best memorable moment for all the students who participate or judge over here. Miss Ankita Asthan.
I'm glad that I win this prize, but I am upset that I have not win that first prize. I hope that I will.
नाम लेने के बाद समझेंगे ना आप?
Yes, please speak.
Thank you, Mr. I'm quite sure about that because it's doing the work in the proper way. Actually, every person wants to get their destination, but the winner are those that is a huge competition has just going on in our surrounding and not only has a problem, that we get confused, that which way we have to plan. Never makes you an engineer. Software never makes you a good teacher. English never makes you a good, successful person. But my dear friends, the main quality, it's a very important. I'm really grateful to him, the full contribution. And I promise to all of you that where there is an enthusiastic power, person, and that's where the students are great contributions, and I'm very happy to all of the seminar and whatever drawback you have, because we are the person when we commit winner always think for the win, and you are the person who joined the ideal classic, and this is my promise to you that you definitely become a winner. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the last point of the seminar is let me tell you that the previous speaker, Prabhakar Singh, pointed out some important things by which you can get a job during the study. You know, he has some special package for your life.
Some more cooperation and more better performance next time. Okay, thank you.
टैकर लगा दिया जाएगा। वो हम लोग सेट कर लेंगे ना किसी दूसरे का इसमें